Okay, here we are for the last flight of this trip. Okay, hand launching.
We're just gonna take off and do like left traffic.
You got it.
Cool.
You're good.
Wesley, is that what? Oh, Wesley, that was epic. Are you on advanced mode?
Okay.
Yeah, super cool. Wesley! Oh my gosh, good save! I almost just crashed. Yeah, you almost crashed. Are you still on advanced mode?
I turned it on in advanced mode for a second. I wasn't ready.
Okay. Are you going to land it in?
Land it.
Okay.
Coming to land? Okay. Yours is battery powered?
Yeah. Yep. It's a 4S. I'll be landing soon too.
Okay. We're brand new. So.
Oh yeah, you're fine.
I'm impressed on how good you guys are at controlling.
Oh.
I'm a fighter pilot and an airline pilot.
Oh, okay, okay. Very nice.
Nice, Wesley. Well done, bud. Good job.
You did the Dusty Crop Puffer landing.
Well done, big guy.
Yeah, that's cool.
So this, your plane is obviously very fast.
Yeah. It's a little faster. I want to say, I don't know the exact,
60?
but like, no, it's probably close to the 100 mark.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. At full speed.
Are you gonna fly again, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm coming back to land.
Okay. You want to watch him land?
Yeah. Does that thing doesn't have landing gear, does it?
No.
Are you gonna catch him?
No,
Oh, you're just gonna belly land it?
yeah, this is a belly lander. There's hand launcher and
Okay.
a
How do you
belly
not
lander.
prop strike it?
Well, like the prop will hit the ground, but I'm not trying to
It's not a
land.
big deal. Nice.
Well, yeah, I wasn't trying to land on the runway part. I was trying to land on the
on the
field.
ground.
But yeah.
Switches.
Yeah.